My involvement started when I enrolled into the program at the Vector Center in Warner Robins. During that time, we came up for a tour of Georgia Tech. That's when we learned about the internship opportunities through the GTMI and AMPF. They invited me to apply. I applied and they accepted and said, okay, we can get started in July. Whenever I go somewhere, I try to understand the mission. My understanding of the AMPF mission is about bridging the gap with the research and development that happens in the lab. Research, develop, get it to the market, right? It does none of us any good if it's sitting in the lab. It has to be out in the market. And the AMPF facility was also a teaching laboratory. The staff here understood, okay, we need to help you understand while exposing you to this technology. You learn it, then you can take it back to your community and you teach others if you choose to do that. Great experience. That's all I can really say. It was just a great experience for me, and I'll never forget it because I've learned some lifelong skills. For me, it's like keep learning, and that's what I intend to do.